Hi viewers and welcome back to my channel. I sincerely appreciate you guys for watching my videos, and please, if you're yet to subscribe, just touch on the red icon to subscribe and also touch on the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today we shall be learning on how to make a turban head band, and this tutorial is going to be very quick. So here I've already cut out my fabric. I'm using the flower satin. So I have 18 by 7 inches. As you can see, I have it by 2. This one too is still 18 by 7 inches. And here, this one is 11 inches by 3 inches. So here I will just fold my fabric this way and just stitch. Then I'll do the same thing to these two. Okay, now I've stitched it up this way. So I'll just go ahead and turn it up. So for this small one, turning it with hand won't be that easy, so I have to make use of my scissors to bring it out. So after that, I'll make sure that the place that sewed up will be at the center. Let it be at the middle. So I'll use my iron to press it. Let this place that is sewed up be at the middle, at the center of the fabric. So I'll just iron it this way. Now I've given it a nice press. So the next thing I will do now is to insert my elastic on this small one. But first, the elastic we are using for this is just 6 inches. 6 inches. So I'll just use my pin. I'll put it in this way. So after that, I'll go to my machine and hold this end and this end too. Okay, now I've stitched up the two edges. So next thing I will do is to bring the big one, then fold it into two, but make sure that this place that you join, that the joining parts will be here. So just fold it this way. Then you bring the small one, shift the roughness, then put it and close it up like this. Fold it like this. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Just put this one at the center. Then you fold it up this way and this way. And I'll go to my machine and sew it up with 1/2 inch. I've stitched it up now. So next thing to do is to take this same side and fix it in like this. So hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Just fix this one this way. So that it comes out like this. Fold it again. Just watch what I'm doing and follow my steps like this. Then you take the other end of the small place where the elastic was inserted and put it at the center. Then just shift it back a little so that this place will be smooth. Then you fold it again like this, and this way too. So you just go to the machine and sew it up again with half an inch. Okay, now I've stitched it up, so I'll just use my scissors and remove the excesses here. I'll do the same thing here too. Then I will just open it up this way. Just turn it up like this. Now I'll do the same thing here. So this is it. Our band is ready. As you can see, this is very, very simple but nice. And I will oblige you to try it on. It's very, very easy. So thank you for watching till the end. And please, if you are yet to subscribe, just touch on the red icon to subscribe. And also touch on the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Love you all. Bye.